How we grew one of our clients 200% in 30 days, right? First, what we did, we got them more leads on the front end, right? So let's just say they were getting, let's say 100 or so leads per month, right? The first thing is to double that. So you're just using easy numbers. So we go from 100 to 200, right? The second thing that we did is we increased their sales conversion percentage. If they were closing at a 10% closing rate, meaning 1 out of every 10 people, we bumped that up to a 40% closing rate, right? So 4 out of 10 people purchased from this company. The next thing we did, step number 3, is we raised their prices. They had an offer that was less than $1,000 when they started with us, and we quickly changed that. So immediately their offer became, from our first offer was 2,500 price point, and then the next offer in the value ladder was around 5K price point, right? And the very last thing that we did to help them grow their business was we implemented a continuity offer, right? So this is an offer that allows their client to pay them month after month after month, right? And this system is called the Lead Playbook System. This system has allowed my company, Creative Eyes, and our clients to not only increase the amount of leads they're getting per month, increase their sales conversions, right? We're not only increasing their price points and adding additional revenue that they haven't seen before, but these exact strategies can be implemented into your business as well, right? So if you want more of these type of tips and information, actually, if you want this exact strategy, comment the word playbook and I'll send it right over.